Welcome back to Omega Language Academy, and this is German A1 course. And today we have session 3. In session 2 we had alphabet. Today we're going to talk about pronunciation. Remember, pronunciation, that means rules of pronunciation as well as special characters. In German there are 4 special characters and 3 of them are called umlauts. Now let me show you what are umlauts. You see these 2 dots, they are called umlauts. And using them, there are different sounds which are created. This one is the sound of a. When we say cat, the a sound which is created while saying cat. So this is a. An example of that would be Mädchen. Mädchen is a girl. So in German. So this is a sound. Mädchen. Okay. Next example is Käse. Käse is cheese. Alright. The next one is ö. The same sound when we say York, this is the sound ö, right? An example of that would be Öffnung. Öffnung is opening. So when you open a shop or open a door, that is called Öffnung, an opening, right? Second example is schön. Schön is nice or beautiful, whatever you want to call it, right? So this is the sound ö. Nice. Third one is ü. So that is Jerusalem when you say "ew," right? So this is where you say this. This is how you say this character. "Ew." An example of that would be fünf. Fünf means 5. All right, in German. So this is how it sounds. Fünf. Next example, Tür. Tür is door. So I hope you got clear about these 3 characters. The fourth one is not an umlaut. It's called SZ. SZ is this beta symbol that you get in your keyboard or in mathematics. Right. This has a very sharp S sound, just like S right there. That's it. So this is called SZ in German. It's a beta symbol and it sounds like a sharp S. Weiß, that means white. So you see there's a beta, but we call it as S or kind of double S, right? In certain cases, you can replace it with double S. Weiß. Fuß. Fuß is foot. And you can guess what is football now. Fußball. Right? That is football. Great. These are the 4 extra characters in German apart from the alphabet we have gone through. Now let's go through some rules which will help you to pronounce or read German properly. Right. A is mostly pronounced as A. Not A anymore in German. A. Was. That is what. Wann, that is when. Name, that is name. And finally, Tasche, that is bag. Now, for now, meaning is not important. Important is that you understand A is pronounced as A. Was, wann, Name, Tasche. Okay, you can pause the video and you can repeat it. The next rule is whenever there is E in the ending, okay, of any word, if there's E in the ending, you pronounce that as a, not a. A. Remember. So for an example, we have this a sound in the end of the. We don't say da, we say the a sound. Right. For an example, this one is Tasche. You can see the sound. Next one is Schuhe. That is shoes. Tasche was bag. We already seen through in A example. Flasche. Flasche is a bottle and you can see E in the end. It's a sound. Finally, Heiße. Heiße is name. Heiße means Ich heiße Sam. I am called or my name is this. But this means called. Alright. Whenever there's IE in any word, it is pronounced as E or ear. Okay, let me show you an example. In here is pronounced as we. That is how. Another example where it is pronounced differently is ear, Familie. Familie is family. So it can be pronounced as E like we or Familie, that is family. Okay, the IE sound. Moving forward, EI is pronounced as I or I. Can say any of them, they are both same. So EI is pronounced as I. An example would be Reise. Reise or Heißen. Reise is to travel and Heißen is to be called, right? This is the full-fledged verb. So this is Heißen. Z is pronounced as S. Now this is important. Please go through the whole part here. Z is pronounced as S if it is followed by a vowel or W. Remember, Z is pronounced as S if it is followed by a vowel or W. Let me show you an example to make it clear. This should be, technically speaking, Zen, but no, it's not because there's an E here. So we pronounce it sane, right? Like insane. Sane means 10. Then we have zwei, that is 2 in German. Zehn, zwei, Zahlen. Zahlen means numbers or to count. Again, there's a vowel, W vowel, so we call them as zehn, zwei, Zahlen. Right. Then we have S. S is pronounced as Z if there's a vowel present in that word next to that S or Z, right? Let me show you an example. Sieben, not sieben anymore. Sieben, that is 7. Sie, that is you. Many kinds of you, but for now, remember, we are practicing pronunciation. Sie, because there's a vowel involved just after S. Then we have Seiten. Seiten are pages, right? Seiten, because E is involved after S. And those were all the rules you need to understand or read basic German, right? We go through special characters, then some German rules so that you can pronounce properly like Germans too. If you have any doubts or if you want to connect with us, you can connect with us through this email ID or the number. Thank you so much and don't forget to comment and like this video. Have a nice time.